Good morning, students. So, today I am giving you some extra questions of the chapter The Birth of Seasons. And the book name is The Engaging English for Class 5. So, it is based on page number 46, the paragraph which you read. Some extra questions. Like question 1, who was the goddess in charge of the harvest? So the answer is the goddess in charge of the harvest was Ceres. Question 2, what was the name of the Roman god who ruled the underworld? The Roman god who ruled the underworld was Pluto. Question number 3, where did Jupiter, the king of gods, live? Jupiter, the king of the gods, lived on Mount Olympus. Question number 4, what was the world like before seasons were born? So answer is before seasons were born, it was spring all year round, and nature shared its bounty with crops growing throughout the year. Question number 5, who fell in love with Proserpine and took her away in his chariot? So the answer is Pluto fell in love with Proserpine and took her away in the chariot. So there is one more question. Question number 6 based on page 46. Who heard Proserpine's cry and realized her daughter needed help? So the answer is Ceres heard Proserpine's cry and realized her daughter needed help.